Hello, everyone. Welcome back again to Ebonyi People TV, where we bring you all of the latest updates on the amazing transformation happening across southeastern Nigeria. And today, we've got some fantastic news coming out of Enugu State. A new sheriff is in town, and Governor Peter Mbah is here to make serious changes. What am I even saying? He has started making serious changes. Meanwhile, I see the comments, so many comments when I appreciate the good works of governors like this. I get answers like, am I being paid to promote the state and talks and stuff like that? Please, this is my own little way of seeing and acknowledging as well as promoting us. And when I mean us, Ndigo at large. Nothing more, nothing less. So please, just snap out of that thought, okay? Take a look at this. The Enugu International Conference Center. Can you believe this project? Abandoned for 16 years, is now almost completed. And I bet you this particular project is going to be complete before December. Thanks to Governor Mbah's vision, this long overdue facelift is bringing new life to the city. According to Governor Peter Mbah, the goal is to turn Enugu State into Nigeria's conferencing capital. That's right. Enugu State is about to become the go-to destination for national and international conferences. Now, with this, people from all over Nigeria as well as outside Nigeria get to hold important national and international meetings here. The plan doesn't stop with just the ICC. It's also operationalizing the international airport, reviving moribund hotel assets, and even building a brand new ICC hotel. Talk about prime real estate. Whoa! The idea is very simple, to create a one-stop hub for all conferencing needs. Imagine hosting global events, business meetings, and even leisure trips, all right here in Enugu. The project is going to put Enugu State on the map, not just in Nigeria, but across Africa. So if you're thinking of investing, now is the perfect time to take action. Come and invest in Enugu State before you hear it's too late. Ndi Enugu, the city's on the rise, and I'm super happy and proud of you guys. There's no room to start lagging. This is not the time to sit back and be cynical. Let's join hands and support a government with a clear vision, a vision that's transforming our home into a state we can truly be proud of. The entire region. Think about it. When this ICC is complete, Enugu could become the Southeast premier destination for holiday and leisure, a place where business meets pleasure and where our rich cultural heritage can shine on a national stage. What more can we ask for? I don't know about you, but I'm so loving what I'm seeing. The work Governor Peter Mbah is doing with the little resources available is simply incredible. It's time to believe in Enugu State again. So stay tuned, you all. Big things are coming to Enugu State, to the Southeast at large, and you don't want to miss them. That's why we're here, bringing you this big news, these big things, right to your screens, okay? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Ebonyi People TV for more updates. And also, if you're excited about Enugu's transformation, drop a comment below. Let's keep this conversation going. See you in our next video.